This week I'm going to be doing a devil's food cake, my favorite chocolate cake recipe. I got the recipe back when I was going to school, and a basic way to top it and decorate it is with ganache filling, so let's get right into it. Start the ganache off with simmering 1 cup of cream. Then pour that cream over 9 ounces of dark chocolate and mix till smooth. Set it aside for later use. The ingredients we're using for this recipe today are 4.5 ounces of eggs, 12 ounces of granulated sugar, 3 ounces of cocoa powder, 3/4 of an ounce of baking soda, and 1/8 of an ounce of salt, 10.5 ounces of all-purpose flour, 7 ounces of vegetable oil, 7 ounces of buttermilk, and 8 ounces of coffee. Whisk together the eggs and the sugar. Then combine the dry ingredients into a sifter and the wet ingredients into a cup. Alternatively, add the dry and the wet ingredients to the sugar mixture until everything is incorporated. Evenly portion the batter among 2 6-inch cake rounds and 1 dozen cupcake liners. Bake off at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 13 to 20 minutes. Remove from the oven and allow it to cool completely. Once the cake is completely cooled, level off the tops of the cake with a serrated knife. Fill and ice the cake with that ganache you made previously. Use a cake comb to brush the top of the cake. Fill a piping bag fitted with a star tip and pipe a reverse shell border on top. With the same piping bag, do a simple shell border for the bottom border. Garnish with sprinkles and dragées. I mean, come on. Just look at that. Look at that. It smells, so chocolatey. It tastes delicious. It's chocolate on chocolate. You can't go wrong if you're craving it. This is the perfect recipe to make. If you end up making it, make sure to tag me on Instagram at Christina Just Tried, and I will see you next week. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.